Speedy Framework is an application development framework that meets the infrastructural needs of enterprise software projects, supports them with value-added middleware services, and provides a systematic development environment for software teams. Besides the problem domain of the application to be developed, a software developer comes up with many infrastructural requirements. Speedy Framework uses proven technologies to address these requirements and integrates them to present a stable system from day one. In addition, it also supports this system with a variety of value-added enterprise services related with security, performance monitoring, audit logging, multi-language support, dynamic UI, and report design. In this way, the software development team can directly focus on the main requirements of the problem domain. Now, let's take a closer look at the framework. First, let's start by creating a new Maven project by using Speedy Framework Maven Web Archetype. When developing applications with Speedy Framework, many of the infrastructural requirements are already covered by the framework, so developers only focus on the problem domain that they must provide a solution to. For this, they develop DAO, service, presenter, and view layers that are usually proposed by web-based multi-tier software development architectures. Assume we have already developed these classes, and let's have a look closely at the value-added features offered by Speedy Framework. Just after creating the project, we have a pre-configured security layer and a root user. We can disable the root access and customize the security configuration according to our needs later. Now, let's log in with user root. Default list and detail view template contains a listing component on the left and a detail view on the right. This template provides searching, filtering, paging, and printing out features by default. I am clicking the new button. UI components created with Speedy Framework can have multi-language support. All texts displayed on the screen can be changed without further development. For example, let's modify the captions of first name and last name fields. As you can see, the captions have changed. Now, I am creating a new record. Let's list our records using the search feature provided by the framework. I am updating a record and I'm deleting it. For all of these transactions, service and entity level audit log records were created by the framework in the background. The newly created entities, the changed fields after an update, and the last state of the entities before deletion can be traced from the audit log screens. By using monitoring screens, we can monitor application performance, find out time spent on each layer, and investigate bottlenecks. We can configure access privileges for each page component. To do this, we must define which parts of the page will be the subject of page-level security. This can be done programmatically or by using configuration screens provided by the framework. I am defining first name and last name fields. Now, let's configure access restrictions for user 1. I am revoking write access to last name for user 1. These restrictions for each UI component can be defined on a user, role, or group basis. Let user 1 log into the system. Well, As you can see, the user cannot change the surname field. The layouts of the UI components provided by the framework or developed for the ultimate application can be modified by using Dynamic UI Designer. Let's modify the list and detail view and turn the horizontal layout into the vertical layout. First, remove all of the components and add a vertical split panel. Let's put the listing component to the top and let's put a vertical layout to the bottom for the toolbar and the detail component. Let's remove the margins and adjust the expansions and alignments of the components. Let's see what we have done. All the templates provided by the framework, including the home page and the login screen, can be modified with UI Designer. Speedy Framework offers a customizable dashboard. Each slot on the dashboard can be enlarged or shrunk. The number of rows and columns can be changed and the slots can be combined. We can configure a system-wide dashboard, and copies of this dashboard can be customized individually by each user. Reporting needs can be met easily with the Dynamic Report Design tool. I am creating a new report called as Person List. Now let's add an image. And a title. Now let's go to the data perspective and create a report query. Testing the query. Let's define the fields. And place them into the report. And let's make the report's appearance a little better. Our report is ready. Save. Now let's execute the report and see what we created. A URL-based reporting infrastructure which allows creating bookmarkable and drill-down capable reports is provided by the framework. We can generate reports in various formats and email or download them. In this short video, we tried to look at some basic features of Speedy Framework. If you would like to see them in more detail and develop new projects together, please contact us.